Good morning. Today I will discuss how to avoid electric shock during electrical activities. First, re-energize the equipment. Turn off the power for the circuit breaker or main switch. Use lockout and tag out to ensure no one will turn on again the circuit breaker while you are working. Second, test before you touch. Use voltage meter or multimeter to confirm the circuit is truly de-energized. Always assume it is light until proven otherwise. Third, use proper PPE such as rubber gloves, safety glass, safety boots, and use insulated tools. And last, only qualified workers can perform the electrical activities. Remember, electricity can be deadly if not handled safely. That's all. Okay, we will shout our safety slogan. Are you ready?
Yes!
Safety!
Push!
Safety!
Push!
Safety!
Push!